Question number 29. This is from circles. In the figure, PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeters. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeters of a circle of radius 5. Okay. Tangents at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find the length of TP. Essentially, let us find out the length of this tangent, which is what we need to do. Right. Let's get started. One of the key things which we'll have to recall is P is the point of tangency. OP is the radius. So this is going to be 90 degrees. Similarly, Q is, if you draw this line, this is also going to be equal to 90 degrees. Keep that in mind. The line joining the center and the point from which the tangent is drawn, and the line joining the points where the tangents meet, this chord PQ, these two will be at right angles to each other. So essentially, PRO angle is equal to 90 degrees. So these are things that we need to keep in mind. So let's keep this as 90 degrees. This is also equal to 90 degrees. Right. First and foremost, PQ is a chord to the circle. From the center, if you draw a line which is perpendicular to the chord, that's going to bisect the chord. So obviously PR is equal to RQ. Therefore, this is equal to 8 by 2. 8 is the length of PQ, which is PR plus RQ. If it is bisected at this point, the perpendicular bisector of the chord passes through the center. A line from the center of the circle that's perpendicular to the chord will bisect the chord. Line from the center of the circle that's perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. So essentially, we get the value of PR to be equal to 4. So PR is equal to 4. OP is equal to 5. In right triangle, PRO, we essentially have OP square is equal to PR square plus OR square. So if 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, you can directly say the value is equal to 3, but we'll do it stepwise. So 25, which is 5 square, is equal to PR square, which is equal to 16 plus OR square. So OR square is equal to 9, or OR is equal to 3. So got this value to be equal to 3, this to be a 4, and we know this is equal to 5. Now let's look at a little more in the next slide, right? So this angle is equal to 90 degrees. This angle is equal to 90. We'll take this value, for instance, to be equal to a theta, which means that this will be equal to 90 minus theta, right? 90 minus theta is this angle. Theta makes it 180 degrees. We know this entire angle is equal to 90 degrees, right? I'm not drawing this angle. This angle is equal to 90 degrees. If this component is 90 minus theta, then this should be equal to theta. Theta plus 90 minus theta is what will make it as 90. This angle is theta. PRT is equal to 90. So this is going to be equal to 90 minus theta. So look at it. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. Theta 90 minus theta 90. So these two triangles by AAA. Which two triangles? By AAA. Let's start by doing this. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. So ORT as a triangle. ORT as a triangle is similar to, we are starting with theta, so let's go with theta here, which is equal to P, and then we went to 90 degrees, PRT, right? So ORP, not ORT, ORP. ORP and PRT are two triangles which are similar by AAA. That makes it as OR by PR. OR by PR is equal to RP by RT. RP by RT is equal to OP by PT. OP by PT. We need to essentially find out this PT. So at some level, we're going to be using this. Do we know the value of OP? Yes, we know that. So we'll write OP, which is equal to 5 by PT, which is what we are trying to find out. Then what else do we have? Do you have the measure of RP? Yes, that is equal to 4. Do we have the measure of RT? No, we do not have it, so we'll not be able to use it. OR, do we know? Yes, OR is equal to 3. We computed a little while ago. PR, do we know? Yes, PR is equal to 4. So we're going to be using this. We'll not use this because we do not know one more value. We're going with OR. OR is equal to 3 and the value of PR is equal to 4. We can find out the value of PT by cross multiplying. PT is equal to 5 into 4, 20 divided by 3. So length of the tangent is equal to 20 by 3 centimeters. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.